Hi Darshana, hi Varun, and my dear team, Prachi, Neha. Hi everybody.
Hi.
Hi. A very good morning to everyone, all our viewers, everybody who's watching this video, live, recorded version, whatever it is. Everyone, a very warm welcome, a very good morning from all of us here. Today at Sigan Mantras, we have a very, very special guest, our dear Varun, with his mom, Darshana. I really don't know how to introduce this pair of mom and son. We recently had a journey shared by another amazing duo of a mom and daughter. If you all remember, that was Pooja and Jyoti ji. So, in the same series, we are trying to, in this Autism Awareness Month, we are trying to bring forward some amazing journeys which keep us motivated and go with all that power and vigor with our children who are no less than a blessing. They've given our lives a new meaning, a new purpose. And that's what gave birth to Sigan Mantras also. As Vigya told you all, I have been talking about it in the previous webinars and sessions. Sigan was never into existence until Vian, my son, who is also on the autism spectrum, came into our lives. Sigan is a German word which means blessings, and anything that you can put under something which blesses you, which keeps you blessed, is what Sigan mantra is all about. So we have yoga and mindfulness, homeopathy, a good amount of webinars that we've been doing to empower parents, to enable parents, to motivate them to do any little thing that is possible in our capacity. We are trying to do that. So in that same series of our webinars, and under that, a sub series, which is the Inspiring Journeys in this Autism Awareness Month. Today, we have Varun and Darshana, and our little team here, Prachi, Neha, Navneet is not there in the frame, and we have one more parent, Vigya, who, due to the time differences, is sometimes not able to make up to the sessions in the live mode, but she's always with us. Behind the curtains, she's the one who's been always working. So that's a little introduction of my little team. So from here on, Prachi, over to you. If we can give a little introduction of Varun and Darshana, and then we'll have them here in detail.
Yeah. Thank you,
And
Khushbu.
yeah.
Yeah. What could I say? I think most of the people know Darshana as because she is associated with Forum for Autism and she has been doing or she has been helping parents since a long time. But yeah, I know Darshana as Varun's mom because I we met in 2018. There was a competition for swimming organized by Special Olympics, and that time I had met Darshana and Varun, and since that time I have been in touch with Darshana, and I have been following Varun on Facebook, and it has been a extraordinary journey of Varun that actually inspired me to take this interview and mainly make it a kind of effort that the other parents who have younger children also should learn from this journey. Of course, he's an inspiration, but yeah, Varun, as I said, is a multi-talented, multi-hat person, as I say, as I call him. So apart from the chef's hat, he is a marathon runner, and he has records on his name that is Asia's first autistic person with the highest, what do you say, highest achievement. He's a chef, of course. He's a baker. Then he's a passionate singer, which I think for me was one of the most what do you say most important thing, because I think he sings beautifully and he sings with his heart, which is, I would say, the most important thing that I like. He's very emotional. He's very fond of all his friends, his cousins, his family, and all the festivals that he enjoys, and other things that he likes. We are actually get to know each other in this short span of time. So Darshana and Varun. I welcome you both to Sigan Mantras, and we are looking forward to have this beautiful and a wonderful session with you.
Thank you, Prachi. Thanks, Prachi.
Can I start the video?
Yes, Prachi, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. A journey without a map. Autism got us when we were blissfully enjoying Varun's childhood. We had started to hear and understand things we had never heard of before. In all this commotion of trying to understand and getting diagnosed, when we looked at Varun, we saw him enjoying his childhood to the fullest. And as parents, we did just that. That is, enjoying him in the moment. But simultaneously, we also tried to learn and understand autism. Varun had a great childhood, enjoying dance, swimming, skating, along with the numerous therapies that were a part of his life after getting diagnosed. In his teens, due to the poor rain, swimming became difficult, and that is when we shifted to distance running as a therapy. Those 3 days of trial period given by Kaushik Panchal was a life turning moment for Varun. Since then, from the February 2016, there has been no looking back. Varun and his RA family, as he fondly calls them, took newer leaps, challenging the horizon. Not only the rigorous training at Runners Academy, but also at the gym, and the support of his running buddies helped him rise high as they simply celebrated Varun and his company. Varun shares a very special bond with his pacers. They have never given up on him in spite of difficult situations. Though the picture looked glorious, Varun had several challenges to overcome. Running had brought about a drastic change in his personality. I could see him grow, his confidence, self esteem, the want to do and achieve things. His readiness to change his lifestyle for marathon simply showed how much he enjoyed it. This was also the time when he started walking towards fulfilling his desire to be a chef, a baker, at Patkar Varde College of Hospitality, Mumbai. Action speaks louder than words. As Varun continued running, articles about him were covered by various newsletters and publications. This year, after completing TMM 2020, Maharashtra Times, Times of India mentioned him in their article. Program International recently documented his story, calling it a dream recipe. Harsha Bogle, the cause ambassador of Forum for Autism, tweeted about him. Elite runners like Kranti Sarvi and Satish Gujran stand by him and support him. Varun has also been registered with India and Asia Book of Records. This year, Varun, as a cause ambassador, will be raising funds along with Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, who, as a cause ambassador of Forum for Autism, has been helping us raise funds over the years. We are looking
forward for everyone's support. It is a great pleasure to see Varun do things as though he is upholding something his school teacher once said to him. She said, "Some things," they said, "I cannot do. I did. Some things," they said, "I won't do. I will."
Uh, Darshana, I would like to stop here and hear the actual singing from Varun, if it's okay.
It's absolutely fine.
I think yeah. So yeah, that was a beautiful song, but I wanted to hear and listen to Varun live. That is why I thought let's continue here. So very warm welcome, Darshana. I mean,
Thank
yeah,
you.
you have summed up all his achievements in this beautiful video. I can't uh, express my what do you say, my feelings right now, because it is so extraordinary journey looking at this video, and yeah, it is very inspiring. It is astounding. But I would like to know maybe how it started, when he was diagnosed, and maybe a brief overview of your journey with Varun, because I think the later part mostly people know, but the initial journey, I think many people don't know.
So, see, basically the whole thing is Varun today is a 22-year-old adult. And when we say getting diagnosed, I will go right 20 years back, where, like I keep saying, autism wasn't even heard of. Like, it, it sounded something like German and Latin. Like, what's this? So even when it basically, and in those days, doctors wouldn't directly tell you that your child has autism or there are red flags of autism. What we get to hear today was never even used. Okay, so we were told that okay, he could be a hyperactive because Varun was a bit a restless child, difficult to sit in a place. But then beyond all that, for me, like back then I was just 24, and for me, I had this lovely toy to play with because it was like that, a small kid in my hands, and we were enjoying. Yes, I had that diagnosis, and I was researching for things, but then nothing was available on net, or that time net was something which was just coming in also. So all that we had was books, all that we had were people around, all that we had, I would rightly say from then, was Forum for Autism, which was still growing in itself. But yes, I had those parents which were there to hold on to, and we are still holding ourselves strong. So that was the biggest support system that we started with. And in those days, therapies also were very far. So I still remember meeting Dr. Anjali Joshi at KEM Hospital. Uh, and she was like, okay, so the therapies were told to us, and she would make us write down in a book and write it down. And I still remember those days when the therapist would educate us, would tirelessly answer questions, because I had lots of questions to ask, because I had no one to ask these questions. For me, my therapist was someone whom I would hold key. Why are you pressing the ball on him? Or why are you putting it from top to down? Or why is he doing the trampoline? And why is he counting when he's... And there were so many questions. And the therapist would really, we were blessed to have those therapists who answered every question, and they would really encourage us to learn things from them and do things at home, which was so very important. So my training, see, because today, yes, I stand also not just as a parent and a core member of Forum, but also as a special educator. But my training started from the time Varun started therapy. So why is therapy important? जैसे खाना जरूरी है शरीर के लिए, वैसे एक a person with neurological disorder क्या therapy role play करता है? So that was imbibed into me. So as I fed Varun 3 times meal, I remember giving him therapy also thrice a day. And that is when we were also told ki swimming kara, because water is a complete it's very therapeutic for the whole body. It's a good energy drainer, so his energy would be vented out. So swimming started at the age of 2.5. So pehle to I would really see him just going and playing in the water. But then, money was going, yes, because we had to have a trainer and we had to have the best of pools. Like parents, hum log wahi karte hain, we always want the best for the child. But then I would see Varun play in that water and I would feel, am I paying for just him playing in the water? But then those people, like I keep saying, there were angels which were sent. Because when you as a parent strive hard, you have that someone up sitting in the sky, which I believe keep sending people to you in various forms, then he could be a trainer and they have their own ways of telling you and doing things. So even if somebody was harsh to me then, I would feel bad, but then I was like, okay, I have something to learn from here. If somebody made my life difficult then, I would feel disheartened ki why is he behaving so hard on me, but then no, I took it as a learning lesson because I saw Varun striving to prove that person wrong, and then we would work together. So I always believe that ki have faith in your child, because see, bhale the child has autism, he's not in the moment, but he's somewhere in that moment. He's observing you, he's looking at you as a parent and how you behave. आप जितना जैसे आप जीते हो, the way you live your life, I think they start imbibing it in themselves too. So I think that was where we all started. So taking help from parents. So Varun also learned to take help from people. Standing by somebody, Varun learned to stand by somebody. Crying at times because I'm tired and I don't want to walk anymore. I'm seriously tired. And I would cry with him, in front of him. And he learned to, it is okay to cry at times, feeling defeated. And the second day, he would see me strong again and taking him, packing his bags, because we had a full fledged journey. Like, we had swimming in the morning, फिर school होता था, फिर skating होता था, फिर dance होता था, फिर basketball होता था, and it would be an everyday ritual along with therapy. So sometimes when parents says कि I get tired, and I would say I didn't have the time to get tired because I would see him enjoying everything and learning everything. So I feel, that yes, I know it is tiring. Stop for a moment and get back on track again. So because we have no choice. Is one word, is one mantra. मेरे पास और कोई चारा नहीं है. Is to just hold hands and walk and keep walking. And when I say walk, I am talking about a walk which was a lot of darkness. That road didn't have lights. That road didn't have. I had a dim light. कि okay, कहीं से तो उजाला आ रहा है, तो बच्चे का हाथ पकड़ के उस walk on that path, because this is the time when we didn't have a lot of reading material. We didn't have a lot of people to, we had stories, but they were down from US, Canada, Australia, and the things were different in India. Like in Australia, you can take your kid on the road cycling. In India, you can't even think of that very easily. You have to take him to a distant place. So you need a vehicle to carry your cycle to a place where there is less traffic and it is the road is friendly, So, and I still remember there was one thing I remember had an impact on my life was Mary Barua. Like, she is an open book, and when she talks, you have to listen and not just listen to the words. Like she tells you, she talks about so many things about autism, and I remember one thing she told me about road safety. Don't hold your child's hand. Encourage your child to hold your hand, because then he is more conscious about it. वो ध्यान रखता है कि उसको आपका हाथ पकड़ना है. And this important this thing of hers, I think I applied in every aspect of our life. So even when Varun was choosing something, it was his choice. I gave him options initially, which helped him to look for options in his surroundings. So everything, so he was always on the front कि उसको life में करना क्या है, and he had his own ways. I know you have interacted with Varun for a couple of days and you know how he talks and how he has his ways. So sometimes it is a phrase, sometimes it is simply a word. So we had a lot of pictures because Varun started talking very late. Varun was echolalic, so मैं जो भी बोलती थी वो बोल लेता था. And I would like to share some important, I wouldn't say important, but a very funny part of our life. Is in India, when you start academics, ABCD जानना ये सबसे बड़ी बात होती है. Like every child has to know ABCD in the chronological order, right? And every parent puts their heart and soul to teach their child. So did I. And Varun refused to recognize ABCDs. And okay, therapies were going on. My therapist one fine day, I remember, had got Pepsi bottle. And Varun just said Pepsi. And we were all zapped. And we were like, yaar, isne pad liya, Pepsi pad liya. Like he doesn't know alphabets and isne Pepsi kaise pad liya. So the therapist wrote Pepsodent and he said Pepsodent. She wrote Colgate. He read Colgate. And I was like, yaar, how come he reads everything when he can't know alphabets? And that's where I remember Varun's first education started with the help of advertisements. Because Varun, like you remember, I told you, he likes music, he liked jingles, so he followed advertisement. So हमारा ये जिंदगी का पहला slam book बना, which was made with A for Alpenleben, B for Bedekar, C for Coca-Cola, D for Devdas because that was a movie famous then. E was ETV Marathi, F was Fanta, G was Parle G, H was Hero Honda, I was ice cream, J was Jack and Jill, and I still remember that. God, I can't believe it. And we made a slam book with advertisements till Z. Okay, till Z. Like, and Varun was saying ABCD. And and you won't believe it was a week's time. He recognized A to Z. He put A to Z in order, which is supposed to be. And he was playing with Scrabble, writing Pepsodent. So then I realized, yeah, spelling तो लिख रहा है. तो Apple की spelling से लिखना जरूरी नहीं है. Spellings लिखना कहाँ से भी शुरुआत हो सकती है. And he would write Kavyanjali because that was one of a serial which was very hit then. And he was writing everything. And I realized that he was reading all the posters because see, that was a time when rickshaws were not very famous. So like, you know, that was when I say not very famous because nowadays the mode of communication is rickshaw, but that time buses and trains is what we traveled more with. So advertisements were everywhere and he was reading everything and he wanted me to read everything. And because he was echolalic, I started talking too much because I was reading everything that was available in the environment and he was grasping it. Right? And that is the when, because still he wasn't talking, he was still echolalic. And there's so much of difference between talking, communicating, and being echolalic. We introduced something called as a communication board into Varun's life. That is an augmentative mode of communication, which is called scientifically, but communication board is a layman term. And what was it? It was a simple piece of paper which had alphabets written on it like a keyboard, you know, and numbers written 0 to 9 and yes and no written. So Varun would move his hand on the communication board, like he would spell everything because he was so good with spellings, what he wanted, and I would say it and he would repeat it. Our journey started that. And I remember then gradually the school that he went to a school not because he wanted to do academics. He went into the IGCSE board because today आज मैं सोचती तो मुझे डर लगता है कि how did I even manage that board, because it's not an easy board though. But I took that school, why, you know, because मेरे घर से वो बस 10 मिनट की दूरी में था. The strength of the school was 20 children and they said कि Varun will sit on the first bench and उसके बाजू में एक बच्चा बैठेगा who would manage Varun, and I had to sit out of the classroom for 6 hours. Because they didn't know what autism was. Because the first thing they asked me was, Varun will pinch, Varun will pull hair. And I was like, why will he do all these things? He won't. So they said, okay, so you sit out because we are not equipped to take charge of a person with autism. So I was like, okay. And that is when I had also done my course as a special educator. So legally also I was competent enough, not only as a mother, but as a professional to sit out over there. But let me tell you, not once I had to enter the class because I was blessed to have beautiful teachers and blessed to have a lovely son who overcome every hurdle that was there independently. Why? Because I gave him the scope to do that. Imagine if I would have barged in every time telling the teacher, you need to do this way, you need to do that way, because she was experimenting things with Varun. And Varun was teaching her the right way to do things. I still remember Varun would open a notebook and जहाँ भी खाली पन्ना दिखे वो लिखना चालू कर देता था in the grade 1. Okay. And when I told the teacher, I'm so sorry, she was like, no, all I need to know is search where Varun has written. I will do it. Then his maths teacher came and told me, Varun is so good with numbers. Why don't you number his notebooks? So that is when I started numbering, because anyways वो एक अपने notebook के ऊपर you have that place where you write page number. I started numbering those page numbers, and I didn't have to teach Varun to start from a new page or start from the page where he had finished last. It just happened because the teacher helped me to understand Varun. So it was not just me who was working, even the teachers were working, the therapist was working. Why? Because there was a faith. And secondly, I was letting people work with Varun. I wasn't always barging in over there. I am a mother with autism. I am a person who's given birth to a person with autism, and I am a special educator, so I know best. No. Everybody in their own space knows what they know better. Yes, the teacher doesn't know a person with autism, but she knows how to teach a student. And they experimented things. And that is how we grew. And Varun had a beautiful relation with all his teachers, which got transferred to me because they became friends with me because they wanted to stay friends with Varun. And today also, right from his grade 1 teachers are friends with me on Facebook. They are overwhelmed when they see his progress. They are in touch with him on WhatsApp. And it is beautiful because जो ग्रेड 1 से बेटी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, उसके बाद डीजे कैथान स्कूल, उसके बाद पाटकर कॉलेज, all these people, they didn't leave his hand. It was a beautiful, I would say, like, a piece of cloth which was getting weaved because Varun was weaving them together. And every experience that every teacher was ready to teach another teacher how well they worked with Varun. Like from grade 1 helped the grade 2 teacher and the students also, mind you, his buddies, his school buddies. They would tell कि teacher Varun को ऐसे मत बताओ, ये ऐसे बताना होता है. So they were helping them out. I also remember an episode once, there was a new teacher who was a bit tough on Varun, and something had happened. I don't remember the grade though. She had held Varun's hand and she hit Varun. And in reaction, Varun hit her back. And I was called to school. And you can imagine my state, when you're called in school, when your child has hit the teacher. Like, ऐसा था कि ज़मीन फट जाए और मैं उसके अंदर दस जाऊँ types. I didn't want to go to school. And when I went there, I saw this. Out of 20 children, there was a bunch of 14 children standing in front of the principal's office. Varun would not have hit the teacher if the teacher would not have hit Varun, sir. First, the teacher hit Varun. So before even I could go there and tell I'm sorry, my son did this by mistake, there was his classmates which were fighting for him. First, the teacher hit him. Then Varun hit her back. Varun has never hit any other teacher. Varun doesn't hit us also. Why will he hit the teacher? And the principal respected those bunch of kids. And the teacher was sacked from the school because no teacher is supposed to hit the child without reason. And I believed there Varun is creating advocates for himself. And so see, इसमें सीखने वाली ये बात है कि I was not there, but Varun was learning to create that strength because he saw me holding on to my other autism friends. Like there was Fatima Sheikh, whom you know. There was Babis Mistri, there was Parul Kumta, there was Babita Raje, there was Chitra Iyer. There were so many of them. They were just a phone call away. Yaar, Varun is doing this. Ye ho raha hai, main kya karu? And there were 10 parents ready to tell you what to do. And out of the 10 nuskas, ek to nuska kaam kar hi jata. So my message to today's parents: yes, there is Google. Yes, there are books. Yes, there is everything. But that faith that you put into the other parent, because उससे अच्छा guide कोई जिंदगी में मिल ही नहीं सकता, because they are also experimenting things, and it's like riding a cycle and it's like swimming. जब तक you don't fall, you don't ride a cycle. जब तक नाक मुंह में पानी जाता नहीं है, you don't end up becoming a good swimmer. जब तक एक बार रोटी सेकते वक्त आपको चटका ना लगे, you don't learn to become a good cook. So it applies to our kids also. They have to fall, They have to get bruised. They have to learn to save themselves. They have to learn to take help from people. All this they learn when you give them the what do I say? When you give them that opportunity, let him fall, let him fall. Then you realize he halfway through he gets up, and then give him a small hand maybe if he needs. And again, it is his choice whether he wants to hold that hand or not. So I think this is just my journey, like letting Varun be the way he is and following him, of course, standing there beside him saying ki bacha tum akela nahi hai, I am also struggling with this, let's struggle together, guys, because this is new for me too. Everything that he did was new for him and new for me. So I kept telling him, I am going to fall, I am going to make tons of mistakes, you have to help me, because you make mistakes, I learn from your mistakes, and you learn from my mistakes. And eventually you realize there's so much of learning that you get from them. They're beautiful souls who are there to teach you how to teach them. And that is simply what I follow. And that is, I think, all that I can say and do. Prachi, I think I've spoken a lot. So, anything else that you specifically want to know? Because I've just leaked out so many things that I've done. Not leaked out, I think it's all over everybody. I tell this to all the parents, like, this is my approach.
Yeah, and that is the best approach actually, Darshana. This is what even I have followed, that believing in the child is the most important thing. And you know what, in one of my first sessions I said, जैसे KYC बैंक में होता है ना, when you register, it's like KYC, like know your child, know your child first. उसके बाद everything else will start falling in place. And believing in the ability, believing in the strengths, and focusing on the strengths is what the most important. This is what I tell all the parents, that this is the beginning, then everything else will fall in place.
Absolutely, very true, very true. It just falls in place. It just, like, see, when we started swimming or all these things, I never dreamt that Varun would be Asia's first runner. Like, कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. Like, I still running 42 kilometers is only a nutcase can run. Like, पागल है कि how can you run 40? Like, even if I think of the route, like, you know, right, I don't know how many of you all know Mumbai, but from BT station you run all the way till the Bandra ka sea link, and you go back again. I'm like, I don't want to do it. And it just started as a therapy, and today Varun simply enjoys it, and he's ready to do everything for it. And swimming में therapy start हुआ. Swimming helped him to get that stamina to run. Even like I said, मेरे लिए वरुण था और वरुण के लिए मैं थी. So either I would be doing therapy and things with Varun, or Varun would be with me in the kitchen, buttering the rotis, or masala sunta hua. Yeah, he wanted to cut onions, so he would sit on the dining table with a board and a knife. Yes, a knife, a blunt knife, but then it was not that blunt also. And वो कैसे भी onions cut करता था. And I would like, ठीक है, finally fine. I know how to chop an onion, ना. So उसका वो मोटा मोटा कट हुआ ऑनियन I would, but then he was into an activity, he was me with the kitchen 24/7, like we were together. And that is, I realized कि गरम मसालों के नाम जो अभी भी मुझे नहीं मालूम, और I get confused कि दालचीनी म्हणजे मराठी इंग्लिश में क्या, and then he'll tell me अच्छा this means that. So he knows so many things just by the aroma, and he eventually liked what he's doing, and today he's a chef out over here baking. Even today when we are baking, he'll come up with biscuits and I'm like, Varun, go slow, because I am like an assistant standing, because when he's making those biscuits, I have to sit and write उसे डाला क्या क्या है, because he doesn't do that. Because college में वो करते नहीं थे ना, they would simply start making things. So, and बैठे बैठे we started bake and play. Cookies बना रहे हैं, and there are so sweet people out over there who are ordering out of love for Varun, out of the love for his cooking, I believe, because many of them have tasted the stuff that he cooks he cooks specifically for his Runners Academy family. He loves them too. But other than my family, the Sawant or the Chavan family, I think the next family he loves is his Arya family. Anything for them. Anything. Like, you won't believe, he had made gajar ka halwa, dudi ka halwa, and he had, because when he finished his graduation, they wanted a treat, and he literally cooked that and took it in the morning for them. So all this is what he does. And he simply loves what he does. And that's the best thing about him. Enjoys everything that he does, and that is something you learn from him. And I learned from him to enjoy. And if you're not enjoying, leave that. Mat karo.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, Varun, what was your best recipe that you did in the lockdown? What you liked? Apart from all the lip smacking things that I saw, I think I liked everything.
Donuts, Prachi.
Noodles.
Donuts.
Donuts. Wow. Yeah, that's what actually at least Facebook at least can provide us the fragrance, leave the taste, but I can't have unless I come there. But yeah, the
Mouth
picture-
watering. My mouth is watering.
yeah, yeah. If you actually
Oh.
start following his recipes on Facebook now, you will feel as if you're like a small child in front of him. I mean, I felt that my
We are a child, they are so
Yeah, yeah.
matured.
his
We are
recipes and his the kind of presentation, it's so awesome. So I was just zapped, and I couldn't help myself commenting on each and every of his recipes. Oh my god. This
And
is-
that inspired, because he follows and he read every comment. Now literally he's like, see, this whole lockdown, initially we started with small things, but now eventually he's getting to learn to be on Facebook and Instagram too, because that is also a part of process. So like I am like, okay, you need to comment back, you need to like back. So this is that learning which still continues. He picks up photos, he chooses photos, but yes, he's learning.
so nice, wonderful. Along with this positive environment, along with the parents, he got the support of in society also. The
Absolutely.
therapies and all, that plays
Yeah.
a very important role.
Yeah, but then when he gets support, I would like to add, it's as parents we need to put faith on the society also. Like, see, not everybody is good out there. I make it very clear. Out of 100, there are maybe 90 people who are bad there. But just because there are 90 bad people, it's not that I shouldn't step out of the house and lose the chance of meeting those 10 good people. Important is meeting. 90 लोग बुरा करेंगे, but 10 अच्छे लोग आपको हाथ पकड़ के आगे लेके जाएंगे, वो भी हमारे लिए काफी है. Right, Varun?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very true.
Yes, ma'am.
Varun, how was your experience in Patkar Hospitality Services, where you did your college, I think, right?
2015, Prachi.
In 2015, he started. So how was college?
College
Yeah.
is good, Prachi.
Okay. And I think Darshana had mentioned sometime that you and your friends share some kind of specific codes in terms of songs or something. So they are actually including you quite, in their team.
Yeah, because see, basically, I would say, who are your college friends there? Who are your best college friends? Tell me their names.
Yashasvi, Mayuresh, Smita, Stuti, Tanya, Jayesh,
And what about
Yes.
Patkar Vardhe College?
Yash, Rachna and Chinmay.
So they were all your college friends.
Yes.
And when you did your BSc
Krishna,
hospitality,
Pranali,
and
Vicky and Manish, Vicky, Naila, Aditya and Suraj.
now look at the gang that he's with, and he's literally he'll be standing, yes, a
Yeah.
huge gang of friends, yes. And the best thing about them is वो उनके साथ खड़ा रहता है. He stands with them, and किसी एक का हाथ will be on his shoulder always. So they include him, whether he talks to them, whether he doesn't talk to them, whether he's smiling, he's listening. The beauty about these people are they include him. They don't, because he doesn't talk and sometimes they really have fun with him. Varun ye wala ad bol ke dikha, Varun ye wala dialogue bol ke dikha, because Varun is very good at saying these dialogues and everything, and they incorporate in their own ways, and that's how I even got friendly with this gang of Trishta, Panali. They are angels, like the beauty is sometimes it would so happen कि Varun का college में कुछ गुम हो जाता है, and he gets very agitated when he misplaces things. He hates that. And then he'll start looking for it. Now these girls and these boys know that कुछ तो गुम हो गया है, and then they'll message me, आंटी वरुण को ये पूछना है कि क्या ढूंढ रहा है. So then I would tell him, give him options कि क्या क्या गुम हो सकता है. So then on WhatsApp they would ask me, and then they would communicate with Varun. Varun ये गुम हो गया है कि वो गुम, and because Varun would find it difficult to exactly tell him कि गुम क्या हो गया है, when they would give him options, he would tell me, yes, my spatula is lost, or I can't find my chef cap, and then they would say, ये देख वरुण तेरा chef cap मेरे bag में था. So this is how they would, spatula भी bag में था, and then they figured out it was in his bag and he was searching it everywhere. So whenever they wanted to help him and they found it difficult, they would contact me on WhatsApp or something कि आंटी वरुण is bit restless, या तो कुछ गुम हो गया है या तो कुछ हो गया, क्या options दे सकते हैं, is, and eventually they learned themselves out. So this was that thing, even during college events, they would choose Varun because they felt Varun was a lucky mascot, and lucky जो भी group में Varun होता था, they told me that later कि we would literally fight to have Varun because जिस group में Varun होता, that group wins by default. So वो एक energy, they would feel कि हम लोग को इतना positive feel होता था कि वरुण हमारे group में ना हम जीतेंगे पक्का. And believe me, all the three, and this happens, they have external faculty, so nobody knows that Varun कौन है या क्या है या कौन सा. But all 3 years for the events, Varun group always got a medal of the best performing group. And they would literally fight over it. They wanted Varun in their group. And because Varun was always mostly in the bakery department, so bakery would always get that best performance award types.
Great, great.
And his college chefs also. So who is your best college chef?
Rahul sir and Amol sir, Rahul sir, Smita ma'am.
Yes, so they are his chefs who scold him, who help him, who are strict with him. So Amol chef is like a post coordinator in Patkarvade College, and he is like a dad figure, So Varun dare not speak a word in front of him. And Rahul chef, who's a bakery chef, he is like that mummy figure. Who pampers him कि कोई बात नहीं वरुण sir ने डांटा ना, next time we'll do better. So this is the rapport which they have with him, and they are still like Varun will wish them on birthdays. Varun bake cakes for them on birthdays. भले हम घर में ही वो काट के खा लेते हैं because we can't send it to them. But yes, May he's going to go out because now again we have a lockdown, right? Bombay is having a lockdown for the next 15 days, so we are going to go out in May. But I think he had a fabulous college life, beautiful college life, and they included him everywhere, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think they like his songs also, na? I mean, they had.
Yes.
Yeah. How do you communicate with them? Like, if there are people like Samba, kitne aadmi the?
So what is that?
So,
Who would do that? Who would do that dialogue? Who would do this dialogue?
Amjad and Biju होते.
नाही but
अबे Amjad.
अच्छा, but हे तुला डायलॉग कोणी म्हटलं, कुठे म्हणायचं तुम्ही डायलॉग, कुठल्या शेफ बरोबर?
नरेंद्र अबे Manoj Narendra Bharti.
Now Narendra chef is the chef of ITC Maratha. So Varun had interned in ITC Maratha for 6 months, and he was working under them. He was mentoring. So because Varun would like to say these, so they had a kind of something, where he would ask Varun, "Arey kitne aadmi se?" And Varun would say, what would Varun say? Okay. कितने आदमी थे when chef?
तो बस सब कुछ.
So they had this kind of fun thing while working, of course, and they've taught Varun so many things, the etiquettes of bakery in a 5-star hotel. So they've really guided him beautifully.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful bond that is formed when you work, and there's so much understanding in that inclusion actually, because when you want to accommodate or include that person, there is so much so much emotional this thing also is involved. So I can understand how it must be. Yeah, very much.
With this internship, I would just like to share a small memory. When first it was the college, I would say really thanks to the college, because whenever they introduced Varun, they would introduce him with so much of pride. And out of the 4 hotels which Varun chose, he wanted to intern, ITC Maratha got ready to meet him. And when they got ready to meet him, they didn't even speak to me once. As a parent, I was allowed to enter with Varun in the premises, but you won't believe they made me feel really invisible. They didn't see me with him at all. Varun ka interview kam se kam chala 1 ghanta, almost 40 to 45 minutes. And then they spoke to me saying, oh, he's an amazing young man. And I was like, okay, thank you for saying that at least. And they just had him in. But initially, they didn't ask me, okay, what is autism, ye, wo, kuch nahi, nothing. They simply took Varun in, and people of different departments came to meet him because they were planning to have him on board. To the level where the head chef of ITC Maratha, Chef Mayank, he also personally, Chef Mayank, yeah. He also came to, he met me and told me this is the plan. And because Varun chooses to be a baker, we would like him to intern for 6 months only in the bakery department. And I'm like, you all know better. How will I know? Because I have never stepped into a 5-star hotel before. Because of Varun, I stepped into that place because that's a huge, glamorous, entering into a regular restaurant and entering into a 5-star is two different things. It really gives you a very, really, uh, very glamorous, very, very glamorous. And thanks to Varun, I got to enter that venue.
Yeah, I totally agree, Darshana. I mean, see, this is a beautiful example of inclusion. And what I will say is looking beyond the disability, looking beyond the disability, looking towards more strength and ability is what we need in the society so that our children can feel better at home, comfortable, and be part of the society which they are. So this is a very important example that you showed, and it shows so much comfort and so much effort by people surrounding him when
Yes.
they actually did what we said.
Yeah, but all this happens, when as a parent you are ready to take the risk, when you're ready to take the risk of letting your child, because eventually, see, we are all not born for infinity, right? There is a day when your child is going to be alone in this world, maybe with people out over there. You are at least not going to be there besides it. So the more he learns to keep faith on the people around, the more he learns to adjust with them, and the more they learn to adjust with him. So I think we should let our boys and girls. I know there is a lot of risk, and many parents say, it is easy for you to say because you have a boy, and the girls are more prone. But mind you, even boys are more vulnerable for sexual harassment or anything because even they can't come and tell. And the sad thing is, like if a girl gets pregnant, we realize that something wrong has happened with the girl. But in the boy's case, unless and until the boy or the adult doesn't come and say that something wrong is happening with him, there is no other physical characteristic or a physical thing telling us that something wrong is happening with your boy out there. So, but still, you teach to communicate. And if your child can't speak, there are pictures out over there. There are different modes where your child can speak to you. So his body language, be very watchful. And I still remember when Varun started moving out, I learned the scooty because agar ye rickshaw se jaane wala hai, I can't take another rickshaw and run behind him. So I learned to ride a scooty just because I could follow him initially. And we followed a protocol where he would send me the rickshaw number which he's traveling because he's very infatuated with rickshaw numbers. And so he WhatsApped that to me, and even whatever the scope of his travel is in the duration, he sends me 3 locations of his choice. जहां से भी वो मुझे उसका लोकेशन भेजना चाहता है, 3 locations during the transit. जैसे मलाड से if he would go to ITC Maratha, from Malad to Andheri, he would send me 3 locations where I know कि अच्छा Varun has reached here. So I also feel at safe, or I feel I am also in control because I know where he is, and he feels safe because he knows that my mother knows where I am. So we are still connected, weaving away. And there are still beautiful memories. God, itna sab kuch yaad aa jata hai. Whenever I keep talking about things, I know we are falling short of time. But there are so many things because there are 2 things which I would like to share, which let me take that one step ahead. Varun was in grade 10 and I had shifted to my mom's place because my mom was unwell and I had to take her for treatment to somewhere else. So Varun would climb the bus from a particular location, and that day there was a traffic and the bus called me up saying कि हम लोग we are going to stand in a particular place and the bhau of the bus would come to pick Varun up. So I was like, okay, and we had done that before also. And my neighbor who has a road facing flat would keep a check on Varun. Varun is standing down. Suddenly she told me Varun started walking, Darshana. So I was like, yeah, the bhau must have come to pick him up is what I assume. Normally when the bhau picks Varun, I get a call saying we have picked up Varun. I didn't get that. And the second minute I called the bhau, so he was like, "Nahi madam, ami khub laam bahut." And you can't even imagine how I freaked because I didn't know where Varun walked to. I ran down. Varun was not visible anywhere. I literally ran. I think that was the first and the last run I must have covered the whole. It is a huge span of area. So the next thing I did was call my brother-in-law from Borivali. and we have a police chowki in Malad, Abhishain Nagar. I went and showed them a photograph of Varun. I called up the school premises, the headmistress saying that Varun has disappeared. He started walking somewhere, internally, your child well, So I had a feeling he started walking to school because that day it was Varun's turn to sing the national anthem in the assembly. And he's very dedicated to his work, one, very punctual, and secondly, yes, Rabindranath Tagore sang the national anthem, made the national anthem. Yes. So he loves to sing the national anthem. So he didn't want to miss the opportunity. So I knew he would head to school. How, I didn't know. अगर रिक्शा से जाता तो उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे. So I thought अगर रिक्शा से गया है तो रिक्शा वाले को क्या बोलेगा? And what if the rickshaw fellow beats him or does not, God knows what he does to him. In a span of 10 minutes, I had the headmistress calling me Varun. I can see Varun walking. And I reached school. Varun finished saying the national anthem and all that. And I asked him, Varun, why didn't you take the rickshaw? Arey, no money. So I was like, okay. He could decide that he can't take a rickshaw because he had no money. Was number one, which I learned. The next thing I asked him, how did you walk in this small less of time? Yes, Anya?
Bus number 10 and 6.
Yeah, the bus number 10 and 6 wasn't coming. So he decided to walk because he was getting late. He walked in a shortcut, which I didn't expect him to do. So he didn't take the regular bus route, but he took a shortcut to the school, which is again, he had to make 2 major crossings. And he said, yeah, yes. So he had to turn to left, and he told me I had to turn to left, turn to right, see if the cars are not coming. तो जो भी प्रवचन हम देते रहते हैं हमारे बच्चे सुनते हैं और जब कभी जरूरत पड़े they apply it what I learned. So as yes, you try to cross really well there. Yeah. So this is something which I learned कि जहाँ पे उसको पहुँचना है he will reach in life because he decided to reach there. Because उसको वो करना था, national anthem गाना था, तो he took all the possible precautions. He chose a shortcut and he reached school safe and sound and he sang the national anthem. And that was such a learning for me as a parent. Yes, I know. Have faith in my child. If he's deciding to do something and if he wants to do something, he sees to it that he will do it.
Bus number 2 and bus number 2. Bus number 12 and 2 in 2013 and 14.
It happened in 2013 and 14. Yes. Prachi, I can't hear you, dear.
Yes. Yeah, actually the incident, I was just having goosebumps thinking what would have been your state of mind in that 10 minutes. I can imagine.
God, crazy.
Yeah, it is so difficult. Even I can imagine an incident when Rudra went home from the lift and he was home and I was looking for him downstairs. That was the first time
Yes.
That was the first time he went alone in the lift. And after that, it actually boosted me. I will make sure that he will go in the lift alone, but there is somebody with him whom I know, so that if in case anything goes wrong, there is somebody to help him.
Help him.
Yeah, as you said, we have to leave our children in that bigger pool sometime, but not unequipped. We have to make sure that they learn and then yeah. Okay, now is the most important part. Now, Neha, do you want to start?
Yes, Prachi. I'm very curious to know about his. He's having the passion of. He loves music, so I'm going to ask some questions related to music. So, Varun, you tell me when your music journey started.
2012. Let me 2012, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Okay.
2021.
Okay.
So it started from 2012, right?
Yes, Neha.
Okay. So is there any particular song for different types of moods for you?
Yes, Neha. Yes.
Which song mood do you
Can you
like?
tell me?
Yaro Dosti Mein.
नहीं, which song do you like? Which mood? कुठल्या प्रकारची गाणी आवडतात? Which mood do you like?
Means when you are very excited, some different songs. When you are sad, some
Yes,
different songs.
Try
Are you having?
to get you. Yaro Dosti is better, Neha.
So do you like romantic songs? Do you like funny songs? Do you
Romantic
like
song.
Okay. So I want to know your favorite song. Which is your favorite song?
your favorite romantic song?
यारो दोस्ती
And romantic कुठला favorite आवडतो?
Oh,
होठों से छू लो तो
Photo Se Chulo, the very nice. Good choice.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
And
song.
your favorite singer,
जगजीत सिंह के
female singer?
हा favorite singer कोण आहे तुझा?
जगजीत सिंह के
आणि अजून कोण फेवरेट सिंगर आहे? कोणाची गाणी म्हणायला आवडतात? Whom do you like to sing?
के is better.
KK is better.
Okay, very nice. Female singer? Do you have
Favorite female singer?
female singer?
आशा भोसले
Hmm.
आणि कोणी आहे का?
लता मंगेशकर उषा मंगेशकर
All the Mangeshkars. Wow.
Even I am big fan of the songs. Lata Mangeshkar fan. I am big fan of Lata ji. Even I definitely send my songs to Varun. To listen.
Yes, please do.
I have heard that if he can in the different language, with his songs in different languages, he grasps it easily. How he can do that?
See, frankly speaking, I really don't know that because eventually I remember it started with cookery shows. So he would watch cookery shows like Khana Khazana was like Sanjeev Kapoor. Yes, he is like a god. So he started Sanjeev Kapoor, and then I realized he was watching Gujarati channel. He was watching कौन सा?
Colors Gujarati.
What was
He shifted to Colors Gujarati.
what was the name of the show?
Rasoi show.
Rasoi show, some Rasoi show. And I realized that he was reading Gujarati. And then,
Bhaskar.
and then even I don't know how, but he can tell you the difference between the other languages, like which is Telugu, which is Tamil, which is Kannada, which is Malayalam. He knows the script. I don't know how.
Star Vijay history and color in TV.
Yeah. And he watches these things. He follows the what do you call it? Tollywood. He knows many directors and he knows many songs. And
Guide we saw the television Tata Sky.
okay, so he watches the guides on Tata Sky and he knows about the Tollywood movies and everything.
Story. Story.
Achha, he reads the stories also on on the Tata Sky, the guide which comes. But I think I really didn't train him for anything as such. We stuck to mother tongue and English because English was communicated at school and Marathi was at home. But then I realized he picked up eventually many languages. So एक दो बार अगर वो देख लेता है, and if he picks up the pronunciations very well, he articulates very well. So I remember his French and English teacher saying also, if nobody in the class can pronounce a particular word, Varun can pronounce it very well. So if nobody could,
He is multilinguistic.
yeah. But then I'll tell you frankly, we didn't really train him or anything, and we didn't really put pressure on him also to do things. It is just something which he likes to do. So sometimes even if we get sometimes you get things packed in newspapers, and if they are regional newspapers, he keeps those newspapers, and I let him keep it. So I have all possible language newspapers which he prefers to keep, and we keep it. So it's his hobby, like collecting stamps. Like you have a hobby, so maybe I think he likes collecting those scripts of various languages, and I think I respect that.
We have to respect,
Yes.
They are genius. They are having the unique talent, savant skills.
Yes, the savant skills. But to a certain extent, I don't think so. We should get carried away behind those savant skills because sometimes, some parents at times overdo it and they lose on the opportunity because see, the savant skill is something which won't be able to help him earn a bread and butter tomorrow, right? Or would help him vocationally independent tomorrow. So savant skills could be something which he follows as a passion or as something like a recreation. अच्छा लगता है करने दो. But they should also experiment and teach the child something which they can vocationally follow आगे जाके. Every child in their own capacity has to be productive and feel important and because it gives so much of a morale boost to the child also to be contributing to the society, So savant skills hai to let it be, but don't overdo it is what I feel as a person.
You should keep it as a passion.
yes, let it be. उसको overdo मत करिए, and don't let the child depend only on that and grow only on that. Like, to be very frank, if you ask any movie, Varun will tell you which year it was released, who was the production manager, who was the music director, uske आजू बाजू में everything. But then that is sometimes which we play with him, you know, बैठे बैठे बोर हो रहा है तो चलो let's play this game. And it's like, you know, he's also involved, like it's a family thing which we do with him. But then we don't overdo it. Like वो वहीं पे खत्म हो जाता है. अच्छा Varun, do you know this movie? And if he doesn't know, then we all Google it together. So that also we do it. So it is something which is like a learning for us also. Right, Dave?
Yes.
So it's all.
Yeah, do you want to sing the song, your favorite song?
Do you want to sing a song today?
Yes.
Song you're going to sing?
Yaro Dosti.
Okay, sure.
He's just putting the karaoke on.
Lyrics.
Lyrics
Yes.
तो बस smile. There is a karaoke. You got it, Raju?
Yeah, Varun, you can start it.
Yeah, he's just searching for the karaoke. तो निकाल के रखा था वापस. Yeah. got it. Is he audible?
Yeah. थोड़ा फोनचं व्हॉल्यूम वाढवू शकतो का? It's okay, actually, it's okay.
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार. यारो मोहब्बत की तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार. तेरी हर एक बुराई पे डांटे वो दोस्त, जमती हो धूप तो साया बने तेरा वो दोस्त, नाचे भी वो तेरी खुशी में. अरे यारो दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार. तन मन करे तुझ पे फिदा महबूबो, पलकों पे जो रख तुझे महबूबो, जिसकी वफा तेरे लिए हो. अरे यारो मोहब्बत की तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार. Thank you.
Wow, that was awesome, Varun. Awesome.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Wonderful, yeah.
Thanks, Prachi. Thanks.
Yeah, and this is a beautiful composition and wonderfully sung by you, Varun. I mean, I remembered my college days, a lot of beautiful memories actually.
Today we got a very new friend, you know.
Yes, Prachi.
We want to be a good friend, you know, of Varun.
Prachi.
Varun.
Yeah, I think music is our common thread that binds all of us.
Yes, Prachi. Yes.
So we are also part of that weaving that Varun had started.
Yes.
So I am really feeling lucky that we are connected with him.
Through this
Yeah.
song, we want to connect with you, you know, from heart
Yes,
and
Prachi.
soul.
Yes, yes, very, very true. Music is has such a soulful effect, you know. Yes. So now coming to a little bit of emotional part. So Varun, because from his Facebook photos and your photos, has a very big family of cousins and his younger brothers and sisters. He's blessed to have such a beautiful family, I believe, right? Your extended
Yes,
family.
Prachi. Yes, Prachi.
Yeah, and uh, which is your favorite festival that you like to enjoy, celebrate, and enjoy together?
Gudi Padwa we celebrated.
Gudi Padwa. Wow. And
आणि
I'm
कुठला फेस्टिवल आवडतो?
Shri Ram Navami.
आम्ही सगळेच फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करतो.
yeah, he told me that Ram Navami is something is very one of his favorites, and yeah.
Yes, Prachi.
He's a mythological person.
Mythological person, Prachi.
Yes.
Okay, yes, that's really good. Even I am very mythological and very, I will say, kind of spiritual person.
Yes, Prachi. Yes.
Now, a bit about the dreamer part that you have said. He's a runner, he's a chef, and a dreamer. So, who is the dreamer? I want to know more about the dreamer part.
The dreamer part is, see, basically something like, I've said this to many people as such. When he was a very young kid, all of us parents हम पूछते बड़े होके क्या बनना. Like, even our parents ask us, we ask our children, and I think that's one common question which flows, you know. And I remember Varun, really, I still remember that expression on his face. A small little boy out there, he hardly, I thought he would say Sachin Tendulkar or he would say Shah Rukh Khan because Devdas बहुत follow करता था तभी वो. So the music, and so he just looked at me and he said, "Me Varun Sawant ho raha hai." And you know that mother instinct in my heart कि हाँ सच में ये वरुण सावंत बनेगा, कि true to his name. So I would say the dream recipe or the dream is something like, if you read that, it is a one tablespoon of determination, passion. So that is all him. और हम लोग बस उसको लेके ना कि वो चलाते रहते हैं, वो करची कैसे चलती है ना कढ़ाई में, बाकी सब वो करता है, हम सिर्फ चलाने का काम करते हैं. So the dream is also that he keep helping him, keep boosting him, show him different ways where he can grow and flourish. So that is why it is a dream to see him as a complete human being enjoying his life to the fullest. उसके आगे ना कुछ चाहिए ना उसके बाद कुछ चाहिए. So that is why I call it a dream, to see him as an accomplished human being, a good human being is all that is wanted. So I think that is my dream, and I think he's on that part to fulfill that dream of mine, to be a good human being.
He is Darshana. He is good human being, you know. Dream, yeah, your dream you are seeing in front of you.
Yes, so like I am seeing a dream with open eyes, but yes, it takes a lot of efforts, a lot of society's contribution. Like, see now how beautiful it is, two of you all to come ahead and talk to him. Like Prachi for the whole week has been talking to Varun to build that What do you say? She's seen him, she's met him once, but this last week जो दोनों में एक relation हुआ है, like he's so possessive about her कि the moment she calls me up, like, why is Prachi calling you and not calling me? So I like that. Yeah, it is so nice. उतना उसने rapport बना लिया है कि he's possessive कि how come she didn't call me and she ended up calling, because yesterday night we had a small talk and he was going to sleep and he wanted to know whether even he is going to be included in the talk. So he kept loitering around me and I said, okay, Varun, you can go and sleep. So he was like a bit disheartened कि अच्छा मुझे नहीं ऐड कर रहे हो, तुम दोनों ही सिर्फ बात कर रहे हो. But that is beautiful, and see, like as a society, Khushbu doing this, helping other parents out over there too. If you feel I have done something little bit good with my son, and if you want other parents to see, it's the efforts and the society, even you all as parents are doing. You know, all this pays. All this is so important for us. And that really makes people like Varun and people like our children who have faith in society outside. So we are literally knocking doors on people to come out and help us, be with us, be a part of our journey, smile with us, laugh with us, cry with us, help us, take the pain in helping build up a person like, or somebody like Varun, or maybe somebody more beautiful like Varun. That's the whole thing.
Yeah, absolutely, Darshana. And I have no doubt that he will be known as Varun Sawant. He has already carved a niche for himself. And I'm sure people will know him. People will really know him for all his skills, for all his good work, and all his singing, his passions for music. So we know the success. But as I always say, through my writing, when I say the autism is not always about achievements or it's all about success, but the bonding, the person, the mind connection, the love, the affection that they show through these small things that they do with us, it is all that matter. We have to understand it. And I think sometimes the expression don't need words. That is what I said. You have to understand your child, even if verbal, non-verbal is beyond our this thing. But understanding the child and following the child and following his passions is something that will create miracles, that will create wonders. So, and Varun is that wonder. Varun is that the dream recipe, the miracle recipe I see, and I'm sure that all our parents will agree with me that okay, he is he is our role model. He is our inspiration.
See, there are see again, like like I've told you before, also there is no inspiration. He's just living a life. If you get to learn something from somebody's life, take it and pass it on. So we are not, see, we all are fighting, we all are struggling, we all are doing something great. There is, see, the inspiration lies in learning something. So you all are inspiring. You are people who are inspiration because see, मराठी मध्ये आपण म्हणतो की कमीपणा नाहीये कोणाकडनं शिकण्याचा, and that is an inspiration. So if Varun teaches you something, he's just living a normal life like any other teenager out there. The beautiful thing is, Prachi, from the time he started Blake and Flake, you won't believe there are so many parents. Like, see, even you are like, Puneमध्ये कधी येणार, I want to taste biscuits, and that really motivates him to, I have to reach Pune, and I'm like, रुक भाई, पहले packaging देखते हैं. So all these small things, the support that comes from people like you is a motivation, is an inspiration. That is inspiration.
Motivation, keep motivating. Motivation is very important, and yes. My son always says that we are hunger of love. They don't expect anything. Apart from the materialistic life, they are hunger of our love and affection. That are the only two powerful words and two powerful gifts they expect from the parents and from the society.
Like, to be very frank, now when the biscuits reach and पैसे आते हैं, he's never bothered कि पैसे आए क्या, किसी ने कुछ मैसेज डाला है, biscuits कैसे लगे, he'll keep on asking, did you enjoy the biscuits? I hope he wants those words, he wants to listen. So I still remember when Babita Raja had put up on her Facebook saying ki, and you won't believe there are so many people who reached out to us just because of that one post of hers, and that was so beautiful. It hardly takes, so these are inspirations, like how you can motivate people like Varun to do beautiful things in life. That is an inspiration. That is something each one of us should love. भले मेरा बच्चा नहीं कर पाता, पर किसी और का कर रहा है, तो I take pride and they take they talk so much about him, they do so much about him. They don't sit like, oh, my child can't do it. So no, they are so much, they put their heart and soul into small things like Varun or anybody amongst our children do. And that is so inspiring. That is an inspiration, I should say. They don't put themselves back, or they don't fall short of words when they pamper Varun, when they talk about Varun, when they they really bestow their love and shower their love on him, and that is so beautiful. And वही देख के बड़ी खुशी होती है कि yes, there are people out there who will support him after us.
The same feeling even I feel, when I connected with Prachi, Kushbu, Vigya and all our team, the way they show trust and love on Navneet and on his write-ups and all, they come forward to arrange this Q&A series and all, We have not met personally. Through WhatsApp, we got connected, but more than, physical contact, we are
Exactly.
connected with heart and soul.
And that strengthens you so much. That strengthens you so much.
Yeah, I think our children are our what do you say, are our strengths, our ability, and they have given the power that we actually, at least in my case, I would say my journey or my transformation is only because of my son. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been possible.
Same here, same here. I have changed 360 degree from a very shy, timid, easily मतलब कोई भी मुझे आराम से ऐसे पट्टी पढ़ा के ले. I was a literally timid person. From that, today where I see myself, I'm so proud of myself. So Varun has molded me the way I am. That
Yes.
everything is just because of him, just because of him. And he's made me that mother is he what he's molded me to, and I'm so happy with him.
They are our mentors,
Yes,
They gave
very
me
true. Very true. They are our mentors. All of them. All of them.
each and
All
every day
those.
we had a lot of things to learn day by day, No
Absolutely.
need of any psychologist, no need of any doctors or therapists. Day to day, we observe if our keen observation if we have on our children. Day to day, there are so many things to learn from them. Through
Very
their
true.
behavior, they teach us every day. We have
Absolutely.
to keep an eye. And we have to open the third eye also,
Absolutely. They open our third eye, I should say.
Not,
They open
not
our
two
third
eyes
eye.
enough, third eye also we should open and observe and then
True.
okay.
Very
Then
true.
we are going to get the answers. So this only
They
the
are
and
beautiful people with lot of potential and everything. Only people, like I sometimes remember, I like what Brian Broderick says. See the able and not the label. The label. You see,
I
even
like gestures. I love it. Rudra.
so it is just that.
Why you switched off the camera? It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. This is our children. This is our life. This is how we are. Like even
No, he just went.
I went past whenever I see, hope my son comes and hugs me. Like this.
Yeah,
He's not one of one. But whenever I see Rudra and Prachi, I go in the past.
absolutely, absolutely.
So this you're having this moment, you have to enjoy, When they grow up, they enter in adolescence and all.
You will have a man like even today, like I keep telling Prachi, I miss hugging my small little kid Varun because I can't cozily sleep with him. It is like I'm sleeping with a man and you can't even hug him like a small kid, So I really miss that. But yes, he's a very emotional person. He is a very small things like in the morning when he gets up and he wishes me good morning and my good morning doesn't have a smile and a spark in my eye, he will be worried about me the whole day. Like, you're good now? Are you tired? Can I press your back?
They're very emotional.
Yes. Yes. So
more than us, they know better.
And he shows so much of concern. And I said, "Or kya chahiye? I'm getting old. As an old, I'll be like, I'm growing towards my oldhood. I'm almost 50 now. So I know I have a son who's ready to take care of me as I'm aging, So what if he has autism? I don't have to tell him that I'm feeling weak or I'm feeling tired. My face, my smile, my eyes tell him, your eye is very tired today. And he ends up doing so much of the house chores also in this lockdown. भगवान की पूजा सुबह शाम की वो करता है, लॉन्ड्री वो करता है, डिनर और लंच के बाद टेबल वो समेटता है, रात को सोने के लिए हमारी बेडिंग वो करता है, उठने के बाद हमारी बेड्स वो समेटता है. All these things he does. And I don't have to tell him that is his responsibility as an individual of the family. Like how each one of us does. सबको काम बांटे हुए हैं. And he very, and I don't have to remind him, I don't have to, that is his responsibility. वो अपना टीवी टाइम और सब कुछ ख्याल रख के he will take care of it. So that is something which is, beautiful. To give them an opportunity. They might fail. Like I remember Varun must have dropped milk so many times. So what? Don't I and you drop milk? And then he cleans it up also. So if he can correct his mistakes and learn the right way to pour milk, today he makes everything in the kitchen. स्टार्ट वैसे ही हुआ, एक बार उंगली कटी, फिर दूसरी बार उसको पता चला कि उंगली को कैसे बचाना है, एक बार हाथ को चटका लगा, तो दूसरी बार सीखा को हाथ को चटका लगने से कैसे बचाना है, एक बार तेल गिरा, एक बार दूध गिरा, एक बार नमक ज्यादा गिरा, एक बार गिरा ही नहीं. All these things happened, all these things, but he's learned. तो मेरा काम भी हल्का होते गया ना. If I wouldn't have told him, नहीं मत कर यार, तू गिरा रहा है. So today I would have been doing all the work in the house, where he's doing so much.
We have to give the chance, we have to trust them, and we have to give the chance. Without that, it's not going to work.
Everything happens in the kitchen. It's the best.
Slow process, but we have to trust on them, Trust
it's a slow. I'll tell you, the learning process is slow. Once the child learns to learn things, then the whole process is faster. They learn to learn things.
We don't need to guide them. When they learn the things properly, they can remember.
Very true. Very true.
Even we forget sometimes, but they will not forget.
Oh yes. Ask me. I am aging very fast. I forget things, and he's the one who keeps reminding me. अरे आई हे करायचं है, and I'm like, oh yes, I'll do it. Like he literally reminds me. If I दूध गरम करने को रख देती हूँ और यहाँ पे चली जाती हूँ, भूल जाती हूँ कि दूध रखा है, he'll stand there. अरे आई दूध वर आला, मी गॅस बंद केला. Sometimes I'm talking और गॅस पे कुकर रखा है, अरे आई शिट्ट्या झाल्या, मी गॅस काढतो. Is all what he does, and it's happening like
yes, each and everything. They are keen observers, whatever happening in the surroundings and all. We feel that they are in themselves.
Not capable. Yes, no. They are in themselves, but quite aware of what's happening around. So all that they need is give them that chance. Let them do things. Karne do.
Yes. And even talks also, we should not take it to granted. They are the keen observers. They will watch each and every person's behavior also.
Everything, every small thing is observed and taken care of. Like today, I was getting ready and मैंने जुड़ा बनाया कान का. अरे आई eyeliner ने लाऊं. I was like, okay, eyeliner लाऊं, because I normally use an eyeliner. So he was like, अरे eyeliner लावायचा. I'm like, okay, eyeliner लावते. And if I change my earrings, अरे आई looking very pretty.
Yes.
My husband will never notice, but he's the one who compliments me. He really makes me feel beautiful.
Good supporters, and no one can better understand us from rather than our kids.
I am literally telling a lot of things. I'm so sorry, I'm barging into a lot of time. When Varun got his first stipend, okay, the hotel had called me because they wanted to see me experience that. It's a beautiful moment where I see Varun counting his money, his first stipend in ITC Maratha. He came home, he kept the money in Bhagwan ka mandir. I was touched. And the most beautiful thing he did was in the evening, I still get goosebumps when I think of it. शाम को जब उसके पापा घर आए ऑफिस से, he took that money, he gave it to his father, and he hugged his father. My husband was really crying because never in my life we thought कि ऐसा एक दिन हमारी जिंदगी में आएगा कि मेरा बेटा उसकी पहली कमाई अपने डैड के हाथ में थमाएगा. And that was and then उसके बाद जब मेरा बर्थडे आया सितंबर में, he wanted to buy me a साड़ी. कि अरे आई साड़ी विकत भेजिए. And I was like, और क्या चाहिए यार लाइफ में कि बेटा चाहता है कि माँ के लिए साड़ी खरीदूं, अपना सैलरी डैड के हाथ में देता है, बस काफी हो गया. लाइफ में और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
So lucky, not even the neurotypical kids of that age can rather think about others,
No, see,
उसके बारे में कैसे कर रहा है, वो ये करना है, शॉपिंग करना है, खुद के लिए ज्यादा सोचते हैं बहुत सारे.
Even he is that way. But that small gesture of giving it to my parents was so beautiful. Was really beautiful. So I think these small things help us know him as a person. You know that he's so beautiful and he's so amazing human being. That makes us a more better human being. उसको देख के हम सीख रहे कि कैसे होना चाहिए. बुरा लगे तो if he feels bad, he will shout and he will tell me that is bad. If he doesn't like it, he will tell me I don't like it. So even I have अंदर ही अंदर मत tell ना कि नहीं पसंद आया भाई मुझे बुरा लगा. He taught me that to tell it to people कि I didn't like it. Don't sulk inside. And all our adults and all our children are that way. You know, they steam around, they run around, they have those different behaviors because that is the way they react and tell the world that something is not right around. That even you and I have to learn कि बोलो कि हमको ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. हम लोग मास्क करते हैं, वो गलत बात है. I think I've taken a lot. I and Varun has taken a lot of time talking to you people, यार.
No.
हमारे बच्चे मास्क हटा रहे हैं, पता है, हमारे मास्क हटा रहे हैं हमारे बच्चे अभी. They are teaching us, you know, be natural.
I mean, they actually unleash our hidden personality and hidden talents. This is what I always feel कि ये talent हम में है, but just because we are now blessed. I mean, I always see it that I'm blessed because of Rudra. I got so many opportunities that I can convert my strengths into something that I really want to do. And I have forgotten that I'm a software engineer by profession. वो totally that is
अभी तो याद भी नहीं है what is C++, Java, what is all this. भूल गए.
And we enjoy every bit of what we are doing with our children, and we are so happy helping other families in the similar journeys, which add so much value to what we are doing. So I absolutely enjoy all these and these wonderful souls. I mean, I can talk about Navneet and Varun. They add so much value to humanity. They add so much learning to our this thing, and they're so much like all of us. I mean, I don't see any difference. Just वो चश्मा जो हमने लगाया है, वो चश्मे को निकालना है बस. जो autism का चश्मा है ना, the way we see, they are like all of us. They are like the society. But जो हम देखते हैं, it's just in the vision, in the attitude that we see autism or any other disability that we have to change. Once we change the attitude, I think they are like all of us. They are part of our
much
life.
better than us.
They are much better because the qualities that I see in my son, all the honesty, the loyalty, the innocence, the cuteness, I think it's nowhere in my elder son also. So they are so much they're so lovely souls. I wish my son never grows up.
No, don't say that, because he will grow up to be a more passionate, adorable. Because see, if he doesn't grow up, how will he not know the beautiful other things?
Still many
has
more
to grow up.
magical moments you are going to see, you know.
Yes, he is going to unfold into a very good human being too. So there are if he doesn't grow up, you will miss on the beautiful things that he would be. So he will grow into a lovely human being.
It's a
Why
definite
that Varun? Yes.
show you the miracles, you know, the magic. It's a
Magic is all around.
Magic,
Yes.
you know.
You have to just unfold. It's like a parcel which you keep on opening and you keep on opening and you keep on opening. Don't get tired opening it.
Yes. Okay. I don't want to end this, but just I have one just simple question. What are your future plans, Varun? I mean, Bake and Flake, the venture that you started, and what are your future goals? Apart from, of course, marathons.
अजून Bake and Flake बरोबर काय करायचं? What more do you want?
फ्युचरचा काय प्लॅन आहे तुझा?
Running आणि
cycling practice.
Cycling, okay. Do you plan to work in a restaurant or something? Because now you have completed
would you
your
like to work in a 5-star hotel? We'll find out. So why are you still not working?
COVID-19 is going on.
Oh. So after COVID-19, will you be deciding after COVID-19?
Yes, Prachi.
So after COVID-19 is finally out of our heads and our world, possibly we might, right?
Yes, correct.
Will you like to work in a hotel?
Might be possible.
Might be possible. मतलब और एक गुगलियानी बाकी है मेरे लिए.
Wow, great year. And I'm also looking forward to a YouTube channel from you where you can post all your recipes so that all of us can see how wonderful recipes you are cooking. So हमको सिखाओ यार cooking online sessions.
No, we are.
Will you teach Prachi
We want to learn so
how
many
to
things.
learn how to make cooking? She told her to. He'll sort it out, it seems.
Yes,
You sort it
yes,
out.
Of course.
yes. We will see. Yeah,
We
seriously.
can have a cooking, like how you have webinar sessions from college. Basically, you
Yes.
can conduct a webinar where you teach people
Virtually,
how to
that's
cook. Would you like to do
Yes.
something like that?
We can actually have it seriously, Darshana. We can have it
Yeah.
in the form either a cooking show or a cooking sessions where Varun can teach whatever he is doing. He can teach the parents or other children who have passion for cooking, like Rudra maybe they can learn from Varun. So that will be a
I don't
wonderful.
know. Let's see. Would you like to do something like that, Dave? He'll find out, Prachi.
Yeah.
He will think about it. He will think about it.
Yeah.
Give the time to think. Okay.
See, because now the time is 12:51. तो हमारे
Yes,
दिमाग में सिर्फ ये बज रहा है कि अभी 1 बज रहा है और हाँ खाना खाना है और
Hello.
खाना बनाने वाली साइड द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज खाना बनाने वाली भी साइड में बैठी है. अब वो जब हाँ तो शी इज मोर वरीड कि हो क्या रहा है. उसके बीच में तुम लोग बोल रहे हो खाना सिखाओ.
No, seriously,
Please,
I don't
नको
want
है.
to close this, but yeah.
Donuts
been a-
you can teach them if you want to. Okay. He's deciding now. Maybe he would like to teach or make sweets or like donuts or something like that. Okay,
No,
he'll find out.
I am
Fine.
serious. Okay, I mean we can
Send
actually
them
have cooking sessions. It was not only for namesake, but yeah, we can actually have cooking sessions by Varun. If he can manage that, we can have for children who are young, maybe 10, 12 years, and who can learn and have a passion for cooking. We can actually have those kind of sessions, and I would love to arrange whatever it takes. So
Thank you
yeah,
so much, dear. Thank you. But I think we really think about it. Yes. If
yes,
he's
and
prepared for it, like if he wants to do it.
yeah, and I don't want to end this session, though even I have rats and cats running in my stomach.
Stomach, absolutely.
Yeah, but I don't want this. But anyway, as all good things come to an end, they say. So,
Yes.
of course, this is only one session. I'm going to continue with my chats with Varun.
Please
After,
do. He will love that.
yeah, because we are planning to also have some songs together. Me, Varun, and Neha. So
Lovely.
yeah, this so this association. And yeah, it has been a wonderful session, Darshana. Thank you so much for your time and effort. And yeah, Varun, I'm a big fan of him. So yeah.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for having us, giving us this opportunity. Right?
It has been our pleasure. It has been our pleasure and our this thing. What is it? It's an honor to be associated with Varun, and yeah, I look up to him for everything.
Thank you.
Thank you, Darshana. Thank you so much. Thank you from Sigan Mantras. So, I don't know if Khushbu is there. Khushbu, are you there? Maybe she might be in a mute mode, but from Sigan Mantras also, I would like to thank you for conducting this and making this happen in a short time. Though we are so cut on timelines and other schedules, but thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Neha, you want to add anything?
No, even I'm not feeling to feeling to end this session. जैसे ही टॉपिक शुरू है ऐसे बढ़ता ही जाएगा भी है ऑटिज्म
Absolutely.
as it's the deep जितना ही जाएंगे उतना ही अंदर बहते जाएंगे. So we have to end this, but this is not the end, this is the starting point.
Yes.
To connect with Varun. We hope would love to collab with Varun as well as be connected with Varun through WhatsApp and all.
Yes, yes.
Would you like to connect with me, Varun, through WhatsApp?
Would you like to connect with me with WhatsApp?
Yes, I hope.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, that is really great. And we will also sing together. So I'm really looking forward to have a good time in singing with Varun and Neha. So thank you so much, Varun. Thank
Thanks,
you,
Prachi.
Darshana.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank you.
this
Bye,
was
Bye.
Darshana. Bye, Varun. Bye,
Bye,
Darshana.
Prachi.
okay. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye,
Okay,
Kushbu. Bye.
okay.
Bye.
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 Bye, guys. Bye.